Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Bits Bank. Today we are going to study SSC CHSL chemistry questions from previous year, and this is a part 3, and hope you all have watched the part 1 and part 2 videos. And friends, please find the PDF of today's session. The link is given in the description box. Friends, please join us on Telegram. This is our user ID. However, the link is given in the description box. Please join us on Telegram. So without wasting any time, let's start with the session. Manganite is an ore or mineral of options are beryllium, chromium, manganese or copper. Here the answer is option C, manganese. So manganite is an ore or mineral of manganese, and it is used as a catalyst for speeding up reactions, and it also helps in lowering the combustion and producing fire. Moving on to next question. Dynamite was invented by options are Jean, Alfred Nobel, Joseph or Ted Nelson. Here the correct answer is option B, Alfred Nobel. So dynamite was invented by Alfred Nobel in 1867, and dynamite is known as blasting agent, and it is an explosive made up of nitroglycerin, sorbents such as powder shell, clay or stabilizer, and it is mainly used in mining, quarrying, construction and demolition industries. Moving on to next question. What does a catalyst do in a reaction? Options are changes potential energy of reactants, changes kinetic energy of reactants, changes potential energy of products, or changes activation energy. Here the answer is changes activation energy, option D. So catalyst changes activation energy in a reaction, which is the minimum quantity of energy which is required to undergo a specified reaction, and by putting in a catalyst, reaction gets an alternative pathway which then reduces the time required for attaining reaction. Moving on to next question. Adding which substance gives green color to glass? Options are calcium oxide, iron oxide, chromium oxide or manganese oxide. Here the answer is option C, chromium oxide. So chromium oxide is used to give a green color to glass. It is a powerful coloring agent, and when added in higher concentration can yield even a black color, and when it is added with tin oxide and arsenic it yields emerald green glass, and such coloring agent gives out an aesthetic overtone to the glass. Moving on to next question. Which of the following elements has the lowest melting point? Options are chromium, hydrogen, zinc or silver. Here the answer is hydrogen, option B. So hydrogen has the lowest melting point, and the melting point is of minus 259.2 degrees Celsius, and hydrogen is a chemical element with symbol H and atomic number 1 with the atomic weight of approximately 1.008, and hydrogen is considered as lightest element on the periodic table. Moving on to next question. Which of the following is applied on the top of the matchsticks? Options are red phosphorus, white phosphorus, potassium chlorate or potassium sulfate. Here the answer is potassium chlorate, option C. So the head of matches is made up of an oxidizing agent such as potassium chlorate. It is mixed with sulfur, fillers and glass powder, and the side of the box contains red phosphorus, binder and powdered glass. Moving on to next question. Malachite is an ore or mineral of. Options are lead, manganese, mercury, or copper. So the answer is option D, copper. Malachite is a green copper carbonate hydroxide mineral with a chemical composition of Cu2CO3 OH taken twice, and it was one of the first ores used to produce copper metal. Moving on to next question. Which among the following will be a negative ion if it has more electrons than proton, more electrons than neutrons, more protons than electrons, or more protons than neutrons? Here the answer is option A. If it has more electrons than protons, then it considered as negative ion. So proton, neutron, and electrons are tiny little particles. So proton has a positively charged and electron negative, and neutron is neutral. So if an atom can lose electron, it becomes a positive ion, and if an atom gains an electron, it considered as negative ion. Moving on to next question. The brand name Teflon represents which polymer? Here the options are polystyrene, polypropylene, polytetrafluoroethylene, or polyethylene terephthalate. Here the answer is option C, polytetrafluoroethylene. Moving on to next question. What is the chemical formula of aluminum nitride? Options are ALN, Al2N, Al2N3, or AlN2. Here the answer is ALN, option A. So ALN is the chemical formula of aluminum nitride, and it has a very high thermal conductivity and excellent electrical insulation properties. Moving on to next question. What is the formula of potassium ion in the noble gas state? Here the options are K plus, K2 plus, K2 minus, or K minus. So the answer is K plus, option A. So potassium is a chemical element with the symbol K and atomic number 19, and potassium atom can lose its outermost shell electron to attain a noble gas configuration, and the formula of potassium ion in the noble gas state is K plus. Moving on to next question. The chemical formula of cadmium nitrate is. Options are CdNO3 taken thrice, CdNO3, or Cd2NO3 taken twice, or Cd2NO3. Here the answer is option A, CdNO3 taken thrice. Moving on to next question. Which of the following is a synthetic rubber? Options are neoprene, monoprene, neoprene, or isoprene. Here the option is neoprene, option C. So the neoprene are synthetic rubbers with the chemical stability, flexibility, and inertness that are produced by polymerization of chloroprene. Moving on to next question. Who discovered oxygen? Options are Carl Scheele, Hooke, Heisenberg, or William. Here the answer is option A, Carl Scheele. So Carl Scheele and Joseph Priestley discovered oxygen, and oxygen is a chemical element with atomic number 8 and symbol O. It is highly reactive, which easily forms oxides with other elements, and it is non-metal and gaseous in nature. Moving on to next question. Which among the following is false about natural rubber? Options are it is an elastomer, It is a monomer of cis-isoprene. Natural rubber is a polymer of chloroprene, or it is heated with sulfur compounds to improve its properties. Here the option B is false about natural rubber, and option A, which is it is an elastomer, and natural rubber is a polymer of chloroprene and it is heated with sulfur compounds to improve its properties. These are correct with natural rubber, and it is a monomer of cis-isoprene. This is wrong statement. Thank you friends for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification when we post a new video. Thank you, and please join us on Telegram. Thank you. Take care.